if the Supreme Court, the US Supreme Court, strikes down Roe v. Wade, how would that impact this?
This really wasn't written with that sort of scenario in mind. 60% of the American people, 60% of voters don't want to see Roe versus Wade overturned, but it could happen. So this section specifically prohibits the introduction of new restrictions on guns and abortions. So to reduce restrictions, to increase access to guns and abortion is not prohibited under this section, which means that, you know, if the Democrats were in control and Roe versus Wade was struck down, they could pass a law to try and undo the court's decision. Similarly, if Republicans were in control and they wanted to ease restrictions on some type of gun or something like that, this section wouldn't prohibit that. It only stops the threat of the other party will take your guns or abortion away if they get elected. You've got to vote for us. We're the lesser of two evils. It just takes away that argument. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, that helps. So specifically, so this is we keep saying truce on guns and abortion, but specifically, more accurately, it's no new restrictions on guns or abortions for the next decade. That is a more accurate description.
Correct. And
Okay.
so, yeah, and like maybe as we address these core issues, these societal problems, maybe in 5 or 8 years or something, like, look, things are going great. Maybe we don't even need all the restrictions we have now. And so they would be able to loosen restrictions, but not tighten them for 10 years.